Good day, everyone. I am Maica Inguito, and I am going to report about the continuation of sales mix evaluation. Sales mix evaluation is an analysis of the primary catering menu item sales patterns. Item sales are tracked over a set length of time and assessed based on two primary factors, popularity and contribution to sales. The sales of appetizer, entry and dessert items for a hotel catering department are shown in Figure 6.8. Sales for each item are totaled at the conclusion of the period, and the percentage of sales that each item represents is computed. To determine its popularity, the item is then ranked according to total sales. The final phase in the sales mix process is to figure out how much each item contributes to profit. Following that, decisions are made regarding which items will be kept on catering menu and which will be removed. The sales mix evaluation helps businesses understand which menu items are most popular and profitable. It involves tracking sales for a period, calculating the percentage of sales each item represents, and ranking them by popularity. Then, the contribution of each item to profit is assessed. This data helps decide which items to keep on the menu and which to remove, optimizing the menu for both customer satisfaction and profitability. For example, a hotel catering department might find that a particular appetizer is very popular but has a low profit margin due to high ingredient cost. This analysis would then suggest either adjusting the price or removing the item from the menu to focus on more profitable options. This is a catering menu sales mix table. It lists different menu items and their sales for each week. The table shows the sales for each menu item for each week. This information can be used to track sales trends and make decisions about menu planning. Presentation controls. Three significant components contribute to the maintenance of a consistent quality in the appearance of the finished product as it is presented to the guest in presentation standards: dish, size and kind, portion size, and garnish. Presentation controls are essential for maintaining the quality of the finished dish presented to guests. Dish, size and type, portion size, and garnish all play vital roles in ensuring that the food looks visually appealing and meets customer expectations. It is crucial that portion sizes are consistent and proportional to the plate size to avoid overfilling or underwhelming guests. Additionally, garnishes are often overlooked but can add a touch of elegance and elevate the presentation of the dish. By paying attention to these components, catering businesses can enhance visitor satisfaction and profitability. For example, a perfectly portioned dish with a well-placed garnish can enhance the overall dining experience, leaving guests impressed and satisfied with both the visual appeal and taste of the food. The design of the actual placing of food items on the plate is known as plate architecture. These extra concerns are important to the overall design of the plate presentation, in addition to the features described above. Interesting and tasty colors and textures. The food is built for height in the presentation. The plate is designed into the presentation. The texture, height, and color of the entire presentation are all balanced. So, plate architectures refers to the strategic arrangement of food items on a plate to enhance the overall presentation. It involves considerations like incorporating interesting colors and textures to create visual appeal and ensuring that the food is stacked for height to add dimension. Balancing the texture, height, and color of the presentation is crucial in creating an aesthetically pleasing dish. By paying attention to these details, chefs can create visually striking plates that not only look appealing but also stimulate the appetite of the diners. For example, a plate of sushi arranged in a visually pleasing and balanced manner with vibrant colors, varied textures, and different heights can create an enticing visual experience that complements the delicious flavors of dish. Every plate design should be assessed for overall design balance. As a guide for the final step in the production process, a photograph of the completed plate design is included with the recipe card. Figure 6.9 depicts a plate design concept, whereas Figure 6.10 depicts a snapshot of the actual plate configuration. Every plate design should be assessed for overall balance, ensuring a visually appealing and harmonious presentation. This involves considering the arrangement of food items, colors, textures, and heights. A photograph of the complete plate design is included with the recipe card to serve as a guide for kitchen staff, ensuring consistency in presentation. Figure 6.9 shows a conceptual design, while Figure 6.10 captures the actual plate configuration. Many catered events, especially business events, are attended by the same persons on a regular basis. People create a level of expectation for the quality of food and service provided by catering businesses, whether they are guests or clients. Meeting consumer expectations necessitates maintaining a consistent presentation. Consistent presentation is crucial for catering businesses, especially at events where the same people attend regularly, like business gatherings. These attendees develop expectations for the quality of food and service, and meeting those expectations means consistently delivering a visually appealing and high-quality dining experience. Catering menu meeting Weekly catering menu meetings bring key management personnel together to examine future functions as an additional operational oversight. To successfully complete a lot of catering occasions in a short amount of time, communication between production and service workers is required. Weekly catering menu meetings play a crucial role in operational oversight by bringing key management personnel together to plan for future functions efficiently. These meetings facilitate communication between production and service staff, ensuring coordination and addressing any potential logistical issues that may arise. Examples of issues that can be identified and addressed during these meetings include service staff shortages, scheduling conflicts between functions, and ensuring the availability of necessary table service equipment, linens, tables, and chairs. By proactively discussing and resolving these logistical challenges, catering businesses can enhance their operational efficiency and ensure the successful execution of multiple events within a short time frame. Menu meetings are also quite helpful in the purchasing department. The chef, purchasing agent, maitre d'hotel, and sales personnel go over the function sheets. Current price fluctuations in primary menu items such as beef and fish may be identified, and menus can be restructured to accommodate for rising food costs. Menu meetings are beneficial for the purchasing department as well, as they provide a platform for key personnel like the chef, purchasing agent, maitre d'hotel, and sales staff to review function sheets and address any potential issues. These meetings allow for the identification of price fluctuations in essential menu items like beef and fish, enabling menu adjustments to mitigate rising food costs. By holding regular menu meetings, catering businesses can effectively manage their operations and adapt to changing market conditions. When employees have a formal venue to share concerns and insights, communication improves, time is utilized efficiently, and potential issues are addressed proactively. Beverage controls. Many of the same controls as in food production, such as standard recipes, purchasing criteria, and presentation standards, are required for profitable beverage management. Beverage controls is just like the food production. Profitable beverage management relies on similar control measures, including standard recipes, purchasing criteria, and presentation standards. These controls ensure consistency in quality, cost effectiveness, and customer satisfaction. Standard recipes. If the desired taste, texture, and yield of beverage are to be consistently obtained, a thorough understanding of established beverage recipes is required. Management must give standard beverage recipe standards so that the same drink can be made at the same time in different locations by different bartenders. Recipes for beverages are shown in Figure 6.11 as an example of one type of recipe format. Standard beverage recipes are essential for maintaining consistency in taste, texture, and yield across different locations and bartenders. By providing standardized recipes, management ensures that every drink is prepared with the same ingredients in the same proportions, resulting in a consistent experience for customers. This is particularly important for large chains or businesses with multiple locations where customers expect the same quality regardless of where they order their drinks. So this is a beverage recipe format. It shows the ingredients and directions for making a martini and a whiskey sour. This format is helpful for organizing and presenting drink recipes, making it easy to follow the steps and ensure the correct ingredients are used. Purchasing. Purchasing alcoholic beverages necessitates a thorough understanding of spirits and wines in order to build a well-developed wine list. A purchasing agent should be well versed in the various types of wines, vintages, and the right pairings of wines and foods. The most critical aspect of profitable beverage purchase is keeping an adequate inventory. Stock levels must be kept as low as possible while yet ensuring that service functions have enough beverages. Purchasing alcoholic beverages requires expertise in spirits and wines, including knowledge of different types, vintages, and food pairings. A well-developed wine list is crucial for attracting customers and enhancing the dining experience. However, the key to profitable beverage purchasing lies in maintaining an optimal inventory. Balancing stock levels is essential to minimize waste and storage costs while ensuring sufficient supplies to meet service demands. For example, a restaurant might carefully track the popularity of different wines to avoid overstocking on less popular varieties. This strategic inventory management allows for efficient purchasing and minimizes the risk of spoilage or excess inventory, contributing to overall cost effectiveness. The following information is included in the purchasing criteria for alcoholic beverages. Purchasing criteria for alcoholic beverages include specific details such as the product name, desired brand names, quantity to be purchased, example liter, fifth, gallon, indication of proof, example 80% proof, 100% proof, or 175% proof, and the unit of measurement used for pricing codes, example is case, keg, or barrel. These details are essential for accurate and efficient procurement of alcoholic beverages, ensuring that the right products are purchased in the correct quantities and units. For instance, when ordering a specific brand of whiskey for a bar, the purchasing criteria would specify the brand name, desired proof level, quantity in liters, and the unit of measurement for pricing, such as case or bottle. This information helps streamline the purchasing process and maintain consistency inventory management. The main benefit of beverage purchase for catering enterprises is that beverage requirements can be predicted far ahead of time. Catering services tend to stick to typical bars, restricting the types of drinks and liquors available. Scotch, gin, vodka, rye, bourbon, and wine are all available at a conventional catering bar. Additions are made at the customer's discretion. So one of the main advantages of beverage purchasing for catering enterprises is the ability to predict beverage requirements well in advance. Catering services typically offer a standard bar selections that includes popular spirits like scotch, gin, vodka, rye, bourbon, and various wines. This standardized approach allows caterers to plan and procure beverages efficiently, ensuring they have the necessary inventory for upcoming events. Additionally, catering events often feature theme bars that cater to specific themes or spirit preferences, such as a Caribbean theme bar offering tropical cocktails or a martini bar specializing in various martini variations. By anticipating and accommodating these themes and preferences, caterers can enhance the overall event experience and meet the diverse beverage preferences of their clients. Presentation: a well-established collection of glassware associated with specific wines and cocktails aids beverage presentation. The bowl of the glass is frequently shaped to enhance the aroma or provide ample space for ice and liquid. By producing an attractive display, garniture can increase the perceived value of the drink among customers. Decorative stirrers or other things are frequently used in themed drinks to provide interest and draw attention to the beverage recipe or concept. So the presentation of beverages is enhanced by a carefully curated collection of glassware tailored to specific wines and cocktails. Glassware is designed with features like shaped bowls that can amplify aromas or accommodate ice and liquid effectively, contributing to the overall drinking experience. Additionally, garnishes play a crucial role in elevating the perceived value of a drink among customers by creating an attractive display. For example, a classic martini served in a chilled clinical martini glass with a twist of lemon peel not only enhances the aroma and taste, but also adds a touch of elegance to the presentation. Decorative stirrers or unique garnishes can further enhance the visual appeal of themed drinks, captivating customers' attention and enhancing the overall beverage concept. And that's all. Thank you.